Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an additional camera as a document viewer. As you can see from the below video, you can see my desk and some artwork I did in an arts and crafts lesson. I'm going to show you now the things you need and what you need to do. All you'll need is a small tripod and your additional camera, which would be your phone, and also create an additional, in my case, Zoom account. So with my webcam, I have my work Zoom, and on my phone, it's my personal Zoom account. So all I do is before my class, I invite myself, which is inviting my phone. I accept the call, accept the video, but then turn off all the audio because the audio provides feedback. And that's it. Very straightforward, very easy. Put your phone in the tripod, adjust the tripod for the desired effect, and there you go. So you've set things up and now you're ready for your class. Before you begin, please make sure you check out a great feature called Spotlight Video. Spotlight Video enables you to prioritize a certain video. This video will be then the main video throughout. So for example, if a student speaks, the video won't jump to them. And I'm going to spotlight this video now, so then my desk is very clear for them to see. And that's it. Well, I hope this helps and will be useful in your class. Any comments, please leave below and please subscribe. Thank you.